Okay, students, Mr. Croy here. Just going to go over this week's lesson and what you need to know to complete the Google Drive lesson. As you open Google, as you open Google and you go to your apps, you need to bring up Drive. If you don't know how to do that, you can simply type in Drive, or if you come up here to the top, right here, you'll see the 9 dots up here. You can click that. That should come up on any screen, and you can click Drive, and it pops up to this screen here. From here, guys, what you need to know how to do is to actually just create a folder, and then from here, we're going to create a folder. We're going to look how to change the color of a folder and to rename a folder. Okay, and so those are the three things you need to know how to do to complete your lesson this week. All right, so from here, you're just going to go and you're going to hit New. You're going to come down here, and it's just real simple. It pops down. This first one here, right here, you're going to click here to create the folder. Now here it pops up and pops up automatically untitled folder. Here we're just going to type in, I'm going to type in example, right? And then I'm just going to hit create. Now, for you, it's going to have some very specific instructions on what type of folder you're going to have to create, what the name of the folder is. So be careful to read the instructions. Okay. So I'm going to hit create, right? And then what it does is it pops down here and highlights the folder that I just created. You can see that right there. So from here, I have a created folder. Now, there will be times in the lesson where it says that you need to create a different colored folder. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to um, click both buttons, or I believe it is uh, Command or Shift and your touchpad, or you hit two fingers on your touchpad, and your screen will pop up. Mine pops up a little bit differently because I'm using a MacBook, but with the Chromebooks, you can still touch two fingers on the touchpad, and this will show up as well. All right, so you can come down here to rename a folder, or to change the color. So we're going to change this color to green. All right, when we do that, you can see the folder here changes to green. And also down here on the left-hand side, you can see our example folder down here changes as well. Now, something else I want to show you that you can do is you can add folders to another folder, which is something you'll need to know later on, um, and is helpful as well. So if I want to add a folder to my example folder here, let's say this one that says test folder. So if I just click on it and I drag it over here to example, it's going to drop it into my example folder. Okay, so see, it's not there anymore. So I can actually come down here to the side. I can actually click my radio button, and boom, there's my test folder. I can actually pull this back out again if I need to, and drop it, and it should be back out again. And obviously, it didn't work for me, so I'll try it another way. I'll just come up here and drop it under my drive. And there you go. Now it's dropped out there. Okay, guys? So that's all you need to know about renaming, about adding a folder to a folder, and about creating a folder. If you have any questions, please email me or email Miss Miller. Thanks, guys.